This is Godrej Crusader Lite loose note counting machine with fake note detection mechanism. The machine offers another mode, that is count mode, in which the machine is not concerned about the fake note, only the counting of the note is concerned. Otherwise, we also have the batch feature in this machine. So I will just give you a demo of the machine. This comes out to be 65 pieces. Now I will take a fake note. A fake note is generally only a printed and it's only a printed piece of paper. Currently the machine is on detect mode. That is, it will detect the fake note. When the fake note comes, the machine will stop, and you will get an error on the screen. Right now it's giving an error of ultraviolet UV, and this the last note, the last piece under objection. That is a note under objection that we have to check. Is this note? That is a fake note. We also have a feature of batch in this machine. Batches, suppose right now I have 65 pieces, so I will make a batch of 50. So what I will do, I will type 50 over there, and now the batch is set to be, the batch displays, and it is of 50 pieces. We also have a feature of this to put the machine on manual mode. Manual mode is, we can easily put the note over there. For the first time users, this and our feature is applicable. So you have to long press the reset button to put it on the manual mode. So now only after pressing the reset button, the machine will start. So in this case, I'll push the reset button. I have cleared the batch. Now the other feature is, I talked about, is the count mode. In count mode, what happens? The machine is not concerned about detecting the fake note or a real note. The machine is only concerned about the counting of the notes. For that, what you have to do, we have to give a long press on the MG. A B05, we have to make it 0, and then we have to give it long press on MG, and we have to make the value R05, that comes out to be 0. So now the machine is on the count mode. On count mode, what happens? The machine is not concerned about the detecting the fake note. It is only concerned about the counting. So now these are 66 pieces inclusive of the fake note. The machine have not given any error. This is the most heavy duty model loose note counting machine by Godrej. Further, it is backed by 1 year Godrej on-site warranty pan India. For every pin code, we'll be covering the service warranty. The service warranty is done by the company. Thank you.